Check out this 2010 Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT8. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include rear-reading lamps, ABS, fog lamps, power outlet, rear bench seat, rear defrost, variable speed intermittent wipers, and auxiliary audio input. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.